What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today, Native Instruments has announced a brand new expansion, this one called Echo Versions. So this one falls underneath the category of dub. So if that is something that you are interested in, then definitely stick around to the end of the video so you understand how to use the 46 machine kits, 51 battery kits, 18 Monarch presets, 332 loops, and 288 one-shots. I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm gonna show you enough that you understand what this kit has to offer. So hit that link in the description below if you want to download it. And also hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz. Without further ado, let's take a closer look at Echo Versions by Native Instruments. All right, so here we are. I'm working inside of the machine here. And I also want to remind you that just because I use the machine doesn't mean that you have to use the machine. You can use whatever DAW that you like, whether it's Ableton, FL Studio, Pro Tools, but it's going to be easier if you use something like the machine or Complete Control to navigate these expansion sounds. And keep in mind that you can always use battery as well. So let's go ahead and go through some of the patches here. So I'm gonna start with the groups and just kind of go through some of the kits. So now you have an idea of what the groups are sounding like. Let's take a listen to some of the sounds if possible. Let me go over here, go to echo version here. It's already loaded for me. And we're gonna listen to some of the sounds here. All right. Then we also have the loops as well. A lot of them are bass loops. Go to some of the chords here. All right, so that is Echo versions. Again, you don't have to use a machine. That is just what I use. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below if you want to download Echo versions. Get your copy today. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.